Hi, today I'm going to unbox and set up the Maono PD200W Hybrid Podcasting and Voiceover Microphone, perfect for live streams, online meetings, and content creation. The best part is that you can use it in three modes: wireless, USB, or XLR. Yes, all three of the most popular connection types in one device. This mono mic features a 30mm capsule and a cardioid pickup pattern, and it works with the MaonoLink app, where you can use sound presets or create your own custom tuning for your voice. You can also adjust the RGB lighting effect or choose one of three levels of noise cancellation, and it really works. The app is available for Android, iOS, and PC. The mic also supports direct headphone monitoring, has a mute button with a red indicator, and includes a built-in battery that lets you record for up to 60 hours, even outdoors. With a power bank, your outdoor recording sessions can last crazy long. It connects not only to phones, tablets, and PC, but you can also get a receiver for your camera to use it as a wireless mic setup. Plus, it even supports a two microphone setup. This is a dynamic type microphone, meaning you don't need 48-volt phantom power, and you can use it with almost any Bluetooth boombox or karaoke system. By the way, this video is recorded using the Maono PD200W Hybrid Microphone set. And yes, the build quality and foam filter are also amazing. In the next video I will do a full review, but for now, let's unbox the mic, see what's inside the box, set it up, and test all it out. Use the video chapters below to jump straight to the part you want to see and hear. Let's test the voice tuning scenes. The first is original, without any change to the recording. Next we have the podcast tab. Let's try podcast 1. As you can see on the frequency graph, there are some adjustments. Now switching to podcast 2. It seems to boost a bit more low and slightly reduce the heights. Next is the game tab. There are also two presets, game 1 which has much lower bass and the game 2 where the low frequencies are almost completely cut. The last tab is sing with the pop preset, but I'm not a singer. And the folk preset, which changed my voice a bit, though I am not sure if I really sounds like folk. The best part is that you can use any of these presets and adjust them to your taste. There's a lot of space for adjustments. Now I'm testing this mic noise cancellation feature. On my right side there's a phone playing a washing machine and dryer sound video at an average volume. First, I will test with noise cancellation off. Now I'm switching it to slight. Then to moderate. And now I'm too aggressive. Finally, I'm turning it off again. I hope you hear that difference in noise cancellation.